Hina, 1:39 is when the plane takes off, and around 1:45 is when the fire department gets a call. Now, the fact that the plane took off, one would assume that all the mandatory checks would have been performed. But immediately after it took off, a mayday call was given by the pilots, is what we're given to understand.
Well, that's right. Let's also tell our viewers the sequence of events here, Swati. Officially, the information that we have got from DGCA, it says that at 1:39, this plane took off from Ahmedabad. Within seconds, let me repeat here, within seconds, the plane gave a mayday call to the air traffic controller at Ahmedabad airport. Now, mayday call is very important. Mayday call is a distress call, which means this is a moment of extreme emergency. We urgently need help. That is when a mayday call is given. So when this plane was taking off, all the checks, happen. Everything is checked, be it the fuel, be it, engineering wise, if something needs to be looked at, everything is done. So everything was done. And then within seconds, when the plane gave a mayday call to the ATC, ATC promptly responded. ATC reached out to the plane, but there was no response from the pilots at all, because within seconds, Swati, this plane had crashed. It crashed, in fact, very, very close to the Ahmedabad airport. Just outside the boundary of Ahmedabad airport, this plane crashed. Officially, we can tell you there were 242 people on board, which included 230 adult passengers, 2 infants, 10 crew members and 2 pilots. Now, these were experienced pilots that we are talking about. DGCA in its statement has mentioned that the pilots were very, well equipped to handle any kind of a situation. One of the pilots, in fact, the command was under Captain Sumit Sabharwal, who was the first officer. Along with him was the first officer, Clive Kundar. Captain Sumit Sabharwal had 8,200 hours of flight experience, and the co-pilot had 1,100 hours of flight experience. But what happened within those seconds, within those moments, that is a matter of investigation. We will be looking at it much later.
Absolutely.
But right
for the
now,
authorities at the moment, like you said, the priority is rescue operation. The reason behind it will be investigated later. At the moment, of course, the authorities, the rescue team on ground trying to save as many people as they can. Amidst all that, we are also given to understand that 30 people have been confirmed dead in this tragedy. We also have Captain Meenu Wadia, President of the Federation of Indian Pilots, joining us on the broadcast. There was perhaps very little time or no time at all, Captain Wadia, between the mayday call given and the ATC responding. By then, the crash had happened.
That's right, absolutely, because the ATC has reported the aircraft was at 800 feet when it came down. Also, there are some unusual sights which I have been seeing. First of all, when an aircraft takes off from any runway, the captain puts up the landing gear immediately. That's within, say, when it's about 100 feet or so. Now, I can see from the pictures that the gear is down, so the pilot expected that he was going to crash, and the wings are level also, so it is not something that is unusual attitude or stalling or anything like that. So there is a lot of information that needs to come out first before we come to any conclusion how and why this happened. And also the very fact that some passengers seem to be alive.
Captain Wadia, I'm interrupting you there for a moment because we're joined live by a reporter who's reporting from the crash site.
किया जा रहा है। अगर यहाँ से आपको दिखाए तो धुआं देखिए किस तरीके से अभी भी उठ रहा है एक प्लेन में, जिसमें 242 जितने यात्री मौजूद थे, जो 1:38 पर वो यहाँ से उड़ान भरता है अहमदाबाद से, और 1:40 पर ठीक 2 मिनट बाद वो प्लेन उड़ते वक्त किसी इमारत से टकराता है, और टकराने के बाद कुछ इस तरह से क्रैश होता है कि अब तक जो लाशें निकली है करीब 105 जितनी लाशें जो है अब तक निकाली जा चुकी है। और ये तस्वीरें आप देखिए किस तरीके से भयावह, ऐसी तस्वीर अहमदाबाद में कभी किसी ने देखी नहीं। लेकिन पीछे की तरफ अगर अब मैं आपको दिखाऊं तो देखिए कैसे जेसीबी की मदद भी ली जा रही है। जेसीबी को अंदर भेजा जा रहा है कि मलबे को हटाया जाए और जो अंदर लोग मौजूद है या सब मौजूद है उन्हें बाहर निकाला जाए। आप देखिए अभी भी फायर की करीब मैं बात करूं तो पूरे अहमदाबाद की फायर की गाड़ियां इस वक्त मौके पर मौजूद है, और जो एम्बुलेंस है वो भी करीब करीब, अगर मैं आपको बात करूं तो अहमदाबाद शहर की जितनी भी 108 प्राइवेट सारी एम्बुलेंस को इस वक्त यहाँ पर घटनास्थल पर जो है वो भेजा गया है। रेस्क्यू लगातार किया जा रहा है, एक के बाद एक लोगों की डेड बॉडी को जो है वो लगातार बाहर निकाला जा रहा है और हर तरफ सिर्फ और सिर्फ अफरा तफरी का माहौल है। ऐसे में ये तस्वीर आप देखेंगे कि पूरी की पूरी जो क्रैश हुआ प्लेन, उसके बाद जो इमारत थी वो इमारत भी देखिए कैसे जल के राख हुई है। हालांकि जानकारी के मुताबिक ये इमारत खाली थी जिसके चलते बड़ा हादसा नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन अगर ये इमारत में भी अगर लोग मौजूद होते तो आप सोच सकते थे कि ये हादसा और कितना भयावह और कितना बड़ा होता।
So, Hiten reporting that live from the crash site. The crash happened just outside the airport. Let me go back to Captain Wadia. Captain Wadia, you were saying that you are suspecting some unusual things. And like you said, you know, the weather seems clear. So one, at the moment, just cannot wrap their head around what possibly could be the reason. But that, of course, comes later when the investigation begins. Captain Wadia, you know, what is your assessment after going through the visuals of the explosion that happened when the crash took place? 30 people so far have been confirmed dead.
Right. From the very limited information that we have, I understand the captain knew he was going to crash a minute or so before he did, for the simple reason that he declared a mayday call also. Secondly, the aircraft has reached about 800 feet. And after that, it's seen to come down. And most probably, after takeoff, he should have put the gear up. But as he is coming down for the crash, you can see that the gears are down also. So captain expected that the aircraft was not going to be able to be flown and was expecting a crash. That is why I presume he had put the gear down also.
Do you also fear, Captain Wadia, that the death toll will increase?
Quite likely, but again, things are not very clear. There were some pictures shown earlier, part of the aircraft fuselage on top of a building. And obviously, this aircraft would have landed on its wheels and broken up in some pieces. So some passengers could have been alive in the aircraft and rescue operations. And you've seen some passengers being taken to the hospital also. So the aircraft may have broken up on impact and some passengers may have been able to leave the aircraft alive also, quite likely.
Of course, we're tracking all those developments. Stay on with us, sir. Let me quickly also go across to our reporters to get an update on the situation on ground. Rishabh is also with us on the broadcast, I believe. Rishabh, the Home Minister, the Prime Minister, all monitoring the situation very, very closely. At the moment, the priority is to rescue as many people as the teams there can.